Transforming a small garden into an enchanting oasis is an art in itself, and stone is one of the most versatile and timeless materials you can use. Whether your outdoor space is a tiny urban courtyard, a cozy balcony, or a petite backyard, incorporating stone art can elevate its beauty, create focal points, and bring a sense of tranquility and permanence that only natural elements can provide. Let's uncover the stunning secrets of stone art for small gardens, ideas and inspiration that will help you craft a personal sanctuary, no matter how limited your space. Begin by understanding the unique qualities of stone. Unlike many other materials, stone is both ancient and ever new. Its textures, colors, and shapes are the result of millennia of geological processes, and each piece is truly unique. In a small garden, where every detail matters, stone can anchor your design, drawing the eye and inviting touch. The first secret is to embrace the natural forms of stone. Instead of uniform tiles or bricks, look for irregular flagstones, river rocks, or tumbled pebbles. These organic shapes add a sense of flow and movement to your garden, making even the smallest spaces feel more dynamic and alive. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to use stone in a compact garden is to create a pathway. Even in a tiny yard, a winding path invites exploration and gives the illusion of greater depth. Choose flat stepping stones and lay them in a gentle curve, allowing ground cover plants like moss or thyme to grow between them. This softens the hard edges and creates a harmonious blend between stone and greenery. For a magical touch, select stones of varying sizes and arrange them with intention, mimicking the randomness found in nature. Another secret lies in verticality. When ground space is at a premium, look up. Vertical stone art can transform blank walls or fences into living sculptures. Try mounting shallow stone planters filled with succulents, herbs, or trailing flowers. These living walls not only save space, but also add texture and interest at eye level. Alternatively, consider stacking stones into a simple cairn, a small, balanced tower. Cairns evoke a sense of mystery and balance, and can serve as subtle markers or accents throughout your garden. Don't overlook the power of a single stunning focal point. In small spaces, less is often more. Instead of scattering many small decorations, choose one dramatic stone feature. This could be a beautifully veined boulder, a hand-carved statue, or even a large, smooth river rock. Place your stone art where it will catch the light or frame a view, and let its presence define the mood of your garden. The right stone can evoke everything from Zen serenity to rustic charm, depending on its shape, color, and placement. For those who crave creativity, mosaic is a secret weapon in the stone artist's toolkit. Even in the tiniest garden, a mosaic can bring color, pattern, and a sense of artistry. Gather small, flat stones in different hues and arrange them into a decorative border, stepping stone, or even a tabletop for your outdoor seating area. The process is meditative, and the results are endlessly customizable to your style and space. Water and stone are natural partners, and even a small garden can benefit from the soothing sound of a water feature. A simple fountain, crafted from a stack of flat stones with water bubbling gently from the top, adds movement and sound without taking up much room. Place your fountain in a shaded corner, surround it with lush foliage, and you'll have a miniature retreat that feels worlds away from the bustle of everyday life. Lighting is another secret to making your stone art come alive, especially after sunset. Tuck small, solar-powered spotlights among your stones to highlight their textures and cast intriguing shadows. Use string lights or lanterns to create a warm, inviting glow that transforms your garden into an enchanting nighttime escape. If you're drawn to more whimsical styles, let your imagination run free. Paint small river stones with bright colors or intricate patterns, and scatter them among your plants for unexpected pops of color. Arrange stones to outline miniature labyrinths or fairy circles, inviting exploration and playfulness. In a family garden, let children help by designing their own stone creatures or messages, turning your outdoor space into a living gallery of memories. Stone art also has practical benefits in small gardens. Use larger flat stones as natural seating or as sturdy bases for pots and planters. Build a tiny dry stone wall to edge a raised bed or divide different parts of your garden. These functional elements blend seamlessly with their surroundings and evolve over time, gaining character as they weather and age. Sustainability is a key aspect of modern garden design, and stone fits perfectly into this ethos. Salvage old bricks, broken tiles, or local rocks to give your garden a sense of place and history. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also creates a more authentic, layered look that feels connected to your environment. As you experiment with stone art in your garden, remember that imperfection is part of the beauty. Allow stones to settle naturally, and embrace the patina that comes with time. Moss, lichen, and the interplay of sun and shadow will only enhance your creations, deepening their sense of belonging. Ultimately, the secret to stunning stone art in a small garden is to see your space not as a limitation, but as a canvas for creativity. By thoughtfully choosing and arranging stones, you can craft a garden that feels larger, more inviting, and deeply personal. Whether your style is serene and minimalist or vibrant and eclectic, stone offers endless possibilities for expression. Let your garden tell a story. One pebble, one boulder, one mosaic at a time. With patience and imagination, you can transform even the smallest patch of earth into a sanctuary of natural beauty, anchored by the enduring magic of stone.